I've run 27 half marathons, and you've been to all but one of them. And the best part before a half marathon is when I walk up to him with the map of the course and there's marks everywhere. And I say, these are the points where I want to see you.
I am a certified and licensed runner husband.
Hi, I'm Dana Brady.
And I'm Adam Brady.
And we live in West Orange County. I love to stay active while we are here. I love to run. I am a member of the Winter Garden Runners and love joining them weekly for their weekly group runs. I'm also a yoga instructor and love teaching locally to all of the residents here and also virtually across the country.
I practice martial arts, and I'm also certified as a meditation and yoga instructor. And I love doing outdoor and indoor well-being activities that really help cultivate my overall sense of health and well-being.
In 2003, we were both working at a local resort together on two separate teams, and Adam and I each caught each other's eye. And he wanted to get my attention so badly that he would take rubber bands and fling them at my head. Until one day he hit one a little too close for comfort, and the rubber band stopped and a romance blossomed. And I knew he was the one when he stood out on the freezing roads of Walt Disney World in 2004 at mile 13 and handed off a tube of Smarties during mile 13 of my first and only Walt Disney World marathon.
I don't know if I have anything to say at this point other than I'm her running husband.
We love to cook together in the kitchen. That's one of our fun go-to things that started during the pandemic. I love cooking, and it got to a point where I would burn stuff and he would just step in and start sauteing for me. So he does a great job in the kitchen. I approve.
I'm the saute king, right? King of saute.
He is the king of saute.
We love doing yoga and meditation together and functional fitness. We do a lot of things together, and that's really cool because it helps bond us, but it also provides a cheerleading section and a little bit of accountability. It's good to have a partner on your wellness journey.
Having that supportive person being in your corner, whether it is your partner, whether it's your parents or a sibling or even a really close friend, finding that cheerleader that's always going to be there to build you up and not break you down really makes the difference.
One of the things that can really help strengthen a relationship is mindfully listening and being totally present. Any relationship, if you're not there, if you're phoning it in, they're going to be able to tell. Love is different based on the individual, and some people need love in one way, other people need it in a different way.
I love living in West Orange County. I can go for an 8-mile run and I don't have to loop the same street 12 times. We've got access to great trails, great parks with some great hikes that we can do.
It has a small town feel, and that's the thing that I like the most, because I grew up in the country, and moving here, it just feels like everybody's your neighbor, everybody's your friend, and even though the community is large, it just has that nice hometown feel to it.